Hey! In front of me is REALME C11 and today I would like to show you how you can enter all vibration features on this device. Start by opening settings, then you need to choose sound over here and now click on vibrate vocals. Over here select one of the options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on this option and go back. Now you need to scroll down, choose shortcut to prevent ringing, and over here you can select vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration and touch vibrations to enable or disable vibrations for these features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!